guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gorillas at Heels. So good to see you all again. Today I would love to share more about the two most sentimental bags in my collection. And these are bags from LOEWE. Let me first show you the bags and tell you the story behind them. So the first one is this black LOEWE bag. It's in smooth calf leather. And the second bag that I have is very similar. It's this LOEWE bag and it's in camel. So, quick story behind these bags. This bag, my dad bought it for my mom in 1984. So at this time of the video, this bag is almost 40 years old. And he bought it as a gift to my mom when they were dating, just before they got married. And my mom loved it so much that my dad bought a second one for her, which is this camel one, in 1985, a year after. So when he bought these bags, he just really liked the silhouette of the bag. He thought it was very simple, classy and elegant. I actually found these bags in my mom's wardrobe when I was a teenager, and I loved them so much, and she very kindly gifted them to me. So I remember that when I was a child, my mom used to carry this all the time. This was her daily go-to bag and holds a lot of meaning to me because it features a lot in my childhood memories. So let me first talk about the restoration story of these bags, and then I'll talk about what fits inside, and lastly how to style. So when I found these bags stuffed in my mom's wardrobe, the condition was it was not like this. It was very worn out. There are a few cracks on the leather. I need to highly compliment LOEWE's service. I brought it to the Mount Street store, and the sales associates, they were so fascinated. They couldn't believe the bag was at a point in time 35 years old, and they said that, oh, we definitely need to restore this bag. It's part of LOEWE's history. So they actually sent it back to Spain. They kept it for about 3 months. They restored the bag. For the black one, it's really in good condition for a 40 years old bag. For the brown one, I've been using quite a lot, so you can see that there are a bit of scuffings here, but when they returned it to me, it was brand new. The sales associates, they packaged the bag in a new dust bag. They gave me a new box, and they said, thank you for bringing back to the store. It's really nice to see a bag that has been used for 40 years across 2 generations. So I thought that the sales service was excellent. I was really impressed, and they did it for £80 per bag, which I thought was really reasonable. That was a very positive experience that I wanted to share with you all. Let me talk about the features of the bag, what's similar and what's different across both. So let me start the similarities. So both of them, they are the same shape, same size. They both have this golden zipper, which is, I think, solid gold with the LOEWE word carved on it. They both have a zip on top, and it's a one-pocket compartment kind of bag. In terms of the design of the bag, they both have thin straps, and they have this knot here, which is a familiar characteristic of LOEWE's bag. So you still see this design in the bags that LOEWE produces today. In terms of differences, firstly, it's the leather. So the black one is smooth leather, and the camel version is pebbled leather. I find that both of them are beautiful. This one is more, I would say, scratch resistant, but even if you look at the quality of the black one, it ages gracefully and beautifully over time. The second difference I want to point out is that the camel version has a pocket in front, whereas the black version is, it does not have a front pocket. The third difference I want to point out is the interior of the bag. So the black version is lined with a cloth lining, whereas the interior of the camel version is very similar to what you see in some of LOEWE's bags today. It's untreated leather. So those are I would say, the 3 main differences. Everything else is very similar. In terms of how to carry the bag, I like to wear it on my shoulder or crossbody, and I feel that this is the perfect fuss-free mummy's bag. It's so convenient. You can just dump a lot of things inside. What I usually do is put my wallet, my 2 phones, my personal phone and my work phone, and a jacket or a scarf, and sometimes my sunglasses and a packet of tissues. So it does fit a lot, and I like carrying this over the weekend or when I'm traveling because it's so fuss-free and convenient. Let me know what you think of the bags. You know, for these kind of fashion houses, sometimes they dig through their archives and they do a reissue version of the bags. Do you think that these bags will come back in style? Do you like them? Do you feel that it's old-fashioned? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think of these. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next one. Have a good week. See you and goodbye.